Alright, so I was checking my eBay. I got ninja'd on my photo order. So I just decided to get a set. So I just bought a set of, it was 100 photos. Anyhow, so right now, continuing with the mask make. Actually, this is going to post tomorrow, Sunday, December 4th. And what I'm doing is I'm just folding signatures. And I'm getting them ready. Hopefully I can get to the bottom of this stack and chit chat with you guys while I'm doing it. So I'm not being super careful. Well, I mean, I'm folding them nicely, but I'm not measuring, I'm not focusing, I am sorting those. So if it's regular paper, then I'm putting it in one stack. If it's vellum or tracing paper, I'm putting it in another. And I'm also cutting out the other half of my index cards that I was making earlier today. And these are going to be, in effect, in my next video, that's what I'm going to be doing, is cutting these out. Now, keeping my scraps, except for the little pieces like that stuff I don't keep. But I'm cutting up my scraps and putting them in a separate box. I'm keeping what I can, guys. And then these go, I'll show you. These, are gonna go over, and I have to cut the acetate. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. These are going to go over my index cards that I cut. Sorry, that's a really big. So here's the index or Rolodex cards, and then these go here with these will be pockets with a photo behind them. You know, something back here, so when you pull the card that's in it out, you'll see something back there, but there'll also be acetate in them. Anyhow, that's what these are for. So I'm just kind of getting caught up. I cut probably 150 of the index cards. Well, here they are. So I'm going to make a stack of the pockets, and I might not do as many of the pockets because not all of them are going to have pockets. But if I decide that's what I want to do, and I am going to make one, make a few, but up next, and if I can get to it today, I'm going to make a, I'm going to work on a journal, like get it together but not decorate it. We shall see how that goes. But so you're going to hear the cricket going in the background. Wow, that's really cool. That'll be on the back of a page. You'll hear it going in the background because I am seriously mass producing as much stuff as I can get done in one day, cleaning up my craft room. Can't talk. Cleaning up my craft room as I go, organize stuff as I go, and actually it's coming along pretty good. Okay, so these will go in the very back, and then I have vellum, and then I have my coffee and tea dyed, and I'm not separating coffee dyed from tea dyed, or elderberry. I did some with elderberry, and they're kind of a light blue, and I'm just gonna put them random. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna take the time to separate them by color whenever I can just go through and kind of pull them out. So, and I'll have another one of these with magazine pages folded in half, Now see, these were already done. And this is going pretty quick. This has got its own little... And then I got those ones that I did the word will come to me, guys. That I did the edges on. I did not. Oh, you know what? These are perforated. See, they're already perforated. I did not fold them because those are special and those are going to have to fit the journal. I don't want them to stick out. So I can get this whole thing out without too much trouble. So anyhow, yeah, that's what I've been doing. And it's almost like working a 9-to-5 job, doing all this work in one day. But in the end, I think I'll be glad that I did it, because all I then have to do is pull them, put them together, embellish. And the embellishing is the fun part for me, and I have tons and tons of stuff ready to go. So I'm going to just start pulling, like I said, and put them in a kit. So that'll be all right. I won't, I wonder how long it'll take me to go through all of this, you know, and get it all done. Oh, I need to start I need to get my Cricut going again. And then here in a bit, I want to do, I have these cool paper clips that I found in Cricut Design Space that are good for bookmarks and stuff like that, and I'll show you those too. But like I said, for now, I just want to get this done, guys. I just want to get this done. Earlier I was doing shout outs, and I'll do them again. I've been doing shout outs every day, and I'm trying to do shout outs every day during the month of December as a way of saying Merry Christmas and thank you to the folks that I subscribe to, because not only does it kind of help them, but I feel good knowing that I've thanked them for doing such awesome journals. Now, in this video, I will put a link to Doll Joy Lissa, and she has 2 channels. One is another doll collector. She collects dolls, and she just knows so much about dolls. I'm always like, wow, how does she know all of that? Wow, you know, how does she know that? So anyhow, she is really good at that sort of things, and she also has a journal where she reads from the Bible, and she reads it in Spanish, and I don't always get it. So I try to look up, if I don't, because her Spanish and my Spanish are a lot different. So if I don't get it, I'll look up the Bible verse, and then sorry for my reach, guys. I'll look up the Bible verse, and then I get the gist of what the conversation is a little better. Now this guy I'm going to cut right up here, because I recycle this cardboard for my miniatures channel. So this won't take but a minute, guys. And so yeah, nothing's thrown except for maybe the wire. I don't think I'll keep the wire, because I don't really think that it's going to do me any good. And okay, so Doll Joy Lissa and then Faithful Lissa, and they are the same person, 2 channels. And trying to grow. You grow row. She's really cool. She does a lot of, she's, right now I'm watching her make vinegar. And so that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Okay, so now this is considered, I consider this, even though it's tracing paper, I call it vellum. Anyhow, I was watching her with making vinegar, and I had no idea you could make vinegar with rosemary. And we happen to have rosemary growing everywhere here. It's a native plant to our area. So, yep, I definitely want to, and that'll do tomorrow. Sundays is my domestic day. Alright guys, I got about 4 more minutes, and then I'm going to shut down and get moving here on my next video. So this is my Mass Make Monday video, and as you can see, this goes pretty quick if you're doing it. I like the whole mass make idea. So next up, I'm going to be doing some tags, and I'm not going to do all of this because sometimes there's just things you want to use vellum for, or tracing paper for, and unless this is the same thing, I think this is the same thing. Yeah. Oh, I just got a notification. Another person I watch is DIY Craftaholic, and right now she's doing three wood Christmas DIYs. So it's a collab, and so I'll put a link to her in the description box as well. So since I have a second one and it is the same thing, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this whole set. So I watch, I'm going to say probably about 300 people, and I'm not done yet with subscriptions because Melody Made, and I'll put a link to her description, or her channel in the description box as well. She's doing a collab right now called Boostateers, hashtag Boostateers, hashtag Elfaru. So I'll be looking at and subscribing to the suggestions she makes there. Wow, I'm going to have a lot of this, and I'm glad. But I'm not going to do this one. Oops, sorry for the blur, guys. I'm not going to do that next one down. I'm going to save that for my vellum projects. And I had no idea. Look at this. See, just in a few minutes, I've got all of this done, but I'm going to go through because we're almost, I'll do the rest of this off camera. Sorry for the close-ups there. I wanted to show you guys something that I had gotten, oh gosh, I don't even remember now where I got it from, but I got it a long time ago. There's music, paper, music, but look at these. I got these, shoot if I can remember where, but aren't those cool? So these, and they're a little bit big, but that's okay, they can be cut down, and they're almost like tissue paper. It's really cool how they feel. So I will cut some of these, and I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to use them for signatures or what. I think I will, because these would be great for a Halloween book. And then I got them in red as well. Here's the red. Here's the red. And then, what color are these? More black. So I have a bunch of these. And I think they're just paper placemats, like what you would find in a restaurant. Like just a single little placemat. Alright guys, I'm going to stop there. and I'm going to get this video uploaded and ready for Mask Make Monday. You guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.